Today, let's talk about something that a lot of people don't consider the first time they get hearing aids, and that's when do I need to replace that hearing aid? Now, in my 30 or so years in the industry, I've heard a lot of talk of hearing aids becoming obsolete or hearing aids needing to be replaced. And really, the reality of that has changed quite a bit since I started. Now, way back when I first started in the mid 90s, people were getting hearing aids about every 3 to 5 years. And the reason for that is there really wasn't that much that we could do with them. We had a volume control on them, maybe a couple of very rudimentary adjustments on them. But the reality is that people, after about 3 to 5 years, would either run out of power, meaning they turn the volume all the way up to the top, or the hearing aids just didn't fit anymore and we were having significant problems with feedback. So back then, that was pretty common to see people replacing hearing aids every 3 to 5 years or so. Now, as we moved forward and technology started to get better, we started to see programmable hearing aids. And while it was still a little bit difficult to put more power into the hearing aids, we had the ability to make a lot more adjustments. And so we could kind of help that person wear the hearing aids a little bit longer. Now, still, even then, we were probably seeing people getting hearing aids about the same amount of time, kind of that 3 to 5 year range, because again, now technology was racing along. As we move forward into today, it's kind of a different ballgame. Not only do we have the ability to put more power in hearing aids, and so we can take a hearing aid from a very mild powered hearing aid all the way up to a very high power hearing aid, but we have the ability of almost infinite adjustments. So most people are thinking, well, good, now I can wear a hearing aid forever. Well, not so fast, as we've heard before. Hearing aids are still at a point where they're getting better and better and better. So there may be significant improvements that may give you, the user, much better hearing in those more difficult situations. And so now we've got a much wider range. People are wearing their hearing aids in some cases much longer, 7, 8, 9, 10 years, but also some people are replacing their hearing aids even sooner simply because technology is that much better. Now, at Amdahl Hearing, you're not going to need to go ahead and just buy hearing aids if it's only been a year or two. We absolutely work on an upgrade program, and so you might pay a little bit of an upgrade, but you'll be able to maintain that high quality hearing. The big thing that I have to tell people over the years is if someone tells you you need new hearing aids, don't let it be just because they're obsolete. Don't let it be just because it's been, 5 years, we should get new ones. Have a good reason. Have a technology reason or a reason that makes sense. Hey, if you like the information that you heard today, go ahead and hit that like button. If you really like the information and want to continue to get it, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you want to get a hold of us, you can get a hold of me directly at info@amdahlhearing.com. You can find us online at amdahlhearing.com, or you can certainly give one of our offices a call. Hey, I'm Kevin Amdahl. Thanks so much for joining me today, and I hope to see you again real soon.